Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Roots. In this video I want to show you guys how to make body butter cream. So I have shea butter and cocoa butter. Next I have emulsifying wax. And then I have distilled water. And then in this I have sweet almond oil. And then fragrance oil. You can use fragrance oil of your own choice. I have a jar where I'll store my body buttercream. I decided to use a glass jar. And then lastly, I have citric acid. I'm going to pour the citric acid into the water and stir it and set it aside. And this is called our water phase. First, I need to wear my gloves and then we're ready to start the oil phase. So in the shea butter and cocoa butter, we're going to add the emulsifying wax. Next, we're going to pour in the sweet almond oil. We're going to place this over heat so that all the butters melt, and while that's happening, I'll mix my fragrance oil and the preservative. Now that all the oils have melted and the citric acid is well mixed with the water, I'm going to start by pouring the water into this mixing bowl. Next, I need my hand blender. I'm using a hand blender and I'll start by mixing the water first. This just makes sure that the water and citric acid are well combined together. When that is ready, I'll pour in slowly the oils into that mixture, and you notice that the texture starts thickening up so quickly. And this is because we've used shea butter and cocoa butter. Continue mixing it up until you get to a desired texture. Because this is thick, you're going to need to take time to mix it and stir accordingly. Now I'm ready to add in my fragrance oil and preservative. I'm going to continue blending that until I get to a very smooth texture. I want to show you guys the close-up of how the body buttercream looks at this point. Now I'm just showing you guys how smooth my body buttercream is at this point. I am going to still go in with the spoon just to make sure that everything is thoroughly mixed from the bottom and up. Now I'm going to show you guys a close-up of how this body buttercream looks, and at this stage it's ready to pour into the glass jar. While I do that, I'm going to talk about the benefits of the ingredients used in this body buttercream. Shea butter is very moisturizing and has anti-inflammatory properties and is an antioxidant. Cocoa butter is high in fatty acids and has the ability to hydrate, nourish, and improve elasticity. Almond oil improves skin tone, reduces appearance in scars, and is highly emollient, which helps balance absorption of moisture. So if you do try this body butter, guys, do comment down in the comment section and let me know. Make sure you use a fragrance of your own choice. I usually go for lemongrass, sweet orange oil. You can also use peppermint. That's also perfect and refreshing. So guys, this is a very nice simple DIY for you guys. It's simple and very quick to make, and it's a heavy body butter cream. It's so nice to use in the winter. It can also be used in the summer. That is no problem. If you want to purchase the measurements for these recipe, you can get it on my Patreon. The link will be down below. And I wanted to show you guys how much of the body butter cream I had remaining at the end of it. So you have a lot to make out of this that can last you even up to 6 months, if you may say. And also I just want to show you that this is such a rich texture, guys. I try to apply on my skin to show you guys how nourishing this body butter cream is. So if you do try it, remember to comment down in the comment section. And if you do want to try this and buy my recipe, do buy it from Patreon. You can purchase it there, and other recipes shall be uploaded there as well. So if you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe and thumbs up this video. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for tuning in. Do not forget to press the notification button so you don't miss videos like this. Until next time, see ya.